Welcome to you all in Kana Math classes for 12 Maths under CBSE board based on the NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous videos, I will try to draw your attention towards some more problems, that is the region bounded between the two curves. Here in the question number 2 under the same exercise, it is given two circles x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1, equation of first circle, and x square plus y square is equal to 1, equation of second circle. As you see in the figure, these two circles having the center 1 0 and 0 0 intersect each other at the points A and B, and the area or region bounded by these two circles, as we see in the figure, area O dash O, area O dash AO, it will be bifurcated in two areas. That is, here we denote this point as C, the area CO dash AC and the area OC AO. First of all, we will try to find out the point of intersection of these two circles. Point of intersection of curves 1 and 1 2, we get by simpling equation number 1 minus equation number 2, we will have x minus 1 whole square minus x square is equal to 0. Here 1 minus 2. By this operation, if you expand this, x square plus 1 minus 2x minus x square is equal to 0. X square will be cancelled by x square. Here 1 minus 2x is equal to 0, means 2x is equal to 1, means x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2, by putting the value of x in any one of the equations above mentioned, we will get very easily the value of y. Now, from equation number 2, x square means 1 by 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 1, or y square plus 1 by 4 y square plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1, or y square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, means 3 by 4, or y is equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. Plus minus root 3 by 2, hence points of intersection 1 by 2 to 3 by 2, taking plus sign, 1 by 2 to root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. This is the point A and this is the point B, point of intersection. Now we have to find out the area, region bounded, area of the region bounded, area of the region bounded is equal to 2 times area OCAO plus COAC. We have written twice here because the symmetrical, this area is symmetrical about x-axis, hence the total area bounded will be twice the area this plus this, or A will be, if you take point here x, y1 and x1, y1 and here point x2, y2, then this area will be y1 dx and this will be equal to y2 dx, 2 times, and limit from 0 to 1 by 2, 0 to 1 by 2 y1 dx plus 2 times, this is the area, lower limit will be here 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 to 1 y2 dx. This will become 2 y1 dx, here this point y1 means this equation, y1 means here y square is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 square, y square is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 whole square, that is y is equal to under root 1 minus x minus 1 whole square, and this you may say y1 we have put here y2, this is y2 from the figure point of view, this is y2 because we have left here the unit x is equal to 1 by 2 to 1, this is y2, and from this equation we have y square is equal to 1 minus x square, this will be y1 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. So actually, this is the actual, this is y1 and this is y2 because this is the circle whose center is 0, 0 and radius 1, and we have put up the value this here. So actually this is the y1 and this is y2. So we will Send here write here the limit y1 dx, y1 dx, y1 dx, and actually if you think according to figure, this is the equation 1, this is the equation 1, x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1, and this circle is this, and the point y2, the point y2 as we have written here, you may write here x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Then this will be equal to y1, and this limit will be actually is equal to, this will be y2, this will be equal to y2 dx, and this will be equal to y1 dx according to limit y2 whose limit, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1 by 2. This small strip lie on this equation, I mean this equation. So this will be equal to under root 0 to 1 by 2 under root 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx plus 1 by 2 to 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square dx. Now due to lack of space on the blackboard, we want to rub some upper portion of the area. A will be equal to 2 times a square minus x square dx. This is x by 2, x minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, x minus 1 upon 1 and plus 2 times here, this is 0 to 1 by 2 and this is 2 times x by 2 into 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 a square by 2, 1 by 2 sine inverse x by 1. This is 1 by 2 to 1. A is equal to, now we will combine together the two expression, taking common a2. Here we substitute x by the upper limit 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2 into 2 and under root 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse minus, here we will substitute x by 1 by 2. This will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 sine inverse minus 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and now substituting the lower limit here, minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 by 2. If you put substitute x by 0, this will be 0, and here minus 1 by 2 sine inverse 0 minus 1 by 1 means minus 1, minus 1 by 1 means minus 1. And now come on this step, plus x by 2, x by 2 means 1 by 2 under root 1 minus 1 by 4 means root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 sine inverse x by 1 means 1 by 1 sine inverse 1. In the second step, 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 1, and the lower limit 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it means the minus 1 by 4 under root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, here also will be equal to minus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2 by 1. Then by substituting the lower limit 1 we get here 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. In this step, by putting the upper limit 1 by 2, 1 minus 1, 0, and 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 plus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1, and now by substituting the lower limit here 1 by 2 means 1 by 4 this, and minus 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. ठीक, that's all. Now 2 minus 1 by 4, and here will be 1 minus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse minus 1 by 2 means minus pi by 6. This 0 minus sin inverse minus 1 means minus pi by 2 plus 0 plus 1 by 2 sin inverse 1 means pi by 2 minus 1 by 4 root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 pi by 6. Now this will be 2 cut by 2, this will be minus root 3 by 4, and 2 will be cut by this will be minus pi by 6, and this is plus pi by 2 plus pi, this will be equal to plus pi, and this will be equal to plus pi by 2, and this will be equal to plus pi by 2, and this will be equal to minus root 3 by 4, and this will be equal to minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6. Here we will minus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 by 4 means 2. 2 by here 2 root 3 by 4, and here we will have root 3 by 4. 2 root 3 by 4 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 3 pi by 2 pi by 2 pi plus pi 2 pi, and this will be equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3. This has been forward. This is only pi by 2 plus pi by 2 this. So now minus root 3 by 4 or minus root 3 by 4, this will be minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus pi by 6 minus pi by 6 will be minus pi by 3, and this is pi. This is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi, and this will be equal to minus 2 root 3 by 4 plus pi minus pi by 3, and now this will become 2 pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 means 2 pi by 3 minus 2 root 3 by 4 and 2 root 3 by 4. It means minus 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 will be cut by 2, and this will be the requisite answer, 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe video. Many thanks to you.